Hello students, today we discuss the continuation of biodiversity and conservation. In that one, the biodiversity patterns and all. The patterns of biodiversity. In this one, why? Because in our global area, either plants or animals, throughout the globe, it is not at all uniform nature and all. So in plants, animals, in our global area, it is never be uniform. It frequently changing, either regarding related to because of what is the main reason. This frequently changing of plants as well as animal species and because of one and only major important related this one, latitudinal gradient and all. Latitudinal, in our globe, already you know, latitudinal gradient means from equator to towards the poles region, the species richness gradually reduces and all because of climatic conditions, because of habitat, because of availability of food material, because of different types of these respectable of interactions and all. That's why these latitudinal gradients act as an important role that the different types of the species richness are present and all. In that one among these regarding related to that specific aspects and all, 23.5 in this one. So 23.5 degrees, that is southern pole, to 23.5 degrees northern pole region. There specifically in a tropical region and all. In a tropical area, many different types of species are present and all. That means maximum herbaceous species, maximum different types of the plants are present and all. For example, vascular plants. In this one, vascular plants normally it is present. So here 118 to 236 per 0.1 hectare in this tropical region. These vascular plants are related to, if we observe to the temperate region, in the temperate region it is present 21 to 48. In a temperate region. If you observe into the poles region, so you observe very carefully in a tropical region, little bit more number because of all habitats, all climatic condition. That means the rainfall, temperature, light, type of the soil, that means suitable amount of the soil, everything it is available and all. When you compare to the temperate as well as poles region and all. So this much variability are observable and all. Then if we observe the number of the bird species, at Colombia, (41 degrees north related to latitudinal area and all, it is present 1400. 1400 species are present and all. 1400 species are present related to New York, (71°) north altitudinal region. It is present 105 bird species are present and all. So here, if we observe 41 degrees, here 71 degrees, whereas in Greenland, related to in Greenland area and all, if we observe in Greenland area, that is 56 and all. In Greenland area 71, New York related to 41, there 21. Like that, various latitudinal range, different types of the species are observable and all. Then what about in India? India, the latitudinal range normally is present 8.3 to 37 degrees, not that is latitudinal, northern latitudinal area and all. Whereas India, 1,200 bird species are present and all. Because of here 8.32, because of maximum, the tropical area, the maximum tropical region, it must be present in our country and all. That's why maximum number of the specific bird species are observable and all. Then you say, what about where maximum species richness present in our global area and all? There is one among the tropical forest area. What is the important tropical forest area and all? That is related to in South America, Amazon rainforest and all. Amazon rainforest area, it is present maximum species diversity. So maximum species diversity. We observable into the Amazonian rainforest and all. In Amazonian rainforest, in that specific area, what is the maximum number related to? If it is present maximum number regarding related to plant, the plant species of 40,000 are present. (3,000) fishes are present. 1,300 bird species are present. That is mammals as well as amphibians. Both are same. 370 reptile. 1,25,000 invertebrate species are present in one specific area because of a specific rainfall, temperature, light, the soil nature, all abiotic factors are properly present. Because of that specific availability of all these things and then maximum species diversity present in our global area, this Amazonian rainforest. But at nowadays, because of global warming and all, because of that is anthropogenic activity, anthropo-activity and all, that means human activities, maximum number of, but here yet to be identified several thousands of the insect species yet to be identified and all, still not identified. It is ready to identify. That why it is various different types of these species diversity are present and because of that specific climatic condition as well as that species interaction, that biotic, that specific type of the factors and all. So these are very important, crucial role. Different types of species diversity are present and all. Similarly, altitude range also, it must be variable from one area to another area. Altitude means from sea level area to up to this one. whether it is because of that specific different types of latitude as well as altitudinal range, the number of species gradually, whether it is increased or decreased and all. So based on these specific factors and all, these specific aspects and all. Now say, in exam point of view, very important and all, that is regarding related to, that means species area relationship, that the German scientist, that is Alexander van Humboldt and all, he explained about species area relationship and all. He explained species area relationship. Alexander van Humboldt. Alexander van Humboldt and all. These scientists explained about species area relationship and all. Actually, according to van Humboldt, the German scientist and all, whenever increase the area, that means species directly proportional to the area. Here species represent S, directly proportional to the A. If it is increase the area, automatically it must increase the species richness, species diversity. In this one, he explained about, suppose the area, if it is increased up to certain limit, up to certain area, up to certain limits only. Beyond that limits, even though if it is increased the area, there is no specific amount of the organisms, different types of the species and all. Only up to certain limit only. In this one, he explained regarding, suppose if it is increase the area, that means from one continent to another continent, there also that sleeper area, that means regarding related to sloper, that means slope line, that means jet value, it becomes increase and all when you compare to the normal area. So within the area, within the specific area, within the specific country, within the specific tropical area and all, their richness little bit constant, little bit low and all. Same organisms from one continent to another continent, if you observe, it becomes wider, if it becomes more. So increase the area, more species richness. Decrease the area, less species richness. That you must remember. If it is increase the area, more number of the species. Decrease the area, less number of the species. Regarding related to, in these particular aspects, they have given related to angiosperms. Angiosperms related to birds as well as beetles, either birds, beetles or molluscans or any other mammals or any reptiles or any other one. If you observe variously, differently, according to based on the surface area, based on the latitudinal range and all. These specific aspects, it must be considerable and all. If it is increase the area, increase the species. Decrease the area, less number of species. That is most important and all. So, based on, for example, he has consideration either angiospermic plants, either birds, either related to one among the mammals like bats or any other invertebrate organisms like molluscans or any different types of organisms. Suppose molluscans which are present in New York area, birds which are present in Colombia, like that. In a different area, different types of the organisms are present. For example, here in Colombia, if you observe, in Colombia, it is present 1400 that bird species are present. Related to New York area 105, New York area related to 41 degrees north latitudinal range. Similarly, Greenland 56 bird species 71 degrees north latitudinal range and all. Why? Because in Colombia normally more or less it is present equivalent to the equator, towards the equator and all. It is present towards the equator. So why? Once again here we are telling because of area more, because of less abiotic factor, less rainfall, less temperature, all these one, less number of species and all related to India. Just now we said, once again for recapitulation purpose, for easy understanding purpose here. But here suppose area becomes less or more. Suppose A area, B area, C area, D area. Suppose less area, less number of organism. Then if it is suppose here 10 number of organism, if it is B area, automatically 20 number. If it is C area, automatically 40 number. But between C to D, only 20 number. According to arithmetic, according to mathematical, here increases 80 number of species. But up to certain limit of this particular area, the number of species also increases. Beyond that limit, that even though it is increase the area, the number of species still it must be reduces. The number of species it must be decreases and all. That is, so from C to D, actually according to mathematically it increases, but according to one Humboldt, up to certain limits up to this area, either kilometers, either square kilometers, either miles, either hectares, based on specific area, type of ecosystem. That is, depends upon the type of this one. But here he said related to rectangular hyperbola. He said related to rectangular hyperbola. According to this one, in that graphically he said this is the area, that is the x-axis, that is the species richness, y-axis and all. Here in this specific area, less number of the organism. There is no specific type of the organisms and why? Because that is initial area, then less number of the species are present. When our area will be increases, automatically species also increases. This is we called as parabola. That is a rectangular parabola. It represents hyperparabola. Rectangular hyperparabola. If it is increased up to certain limit, up to here, then later it will be stops. It will be straighted line only, it will be coming and all. Up to this particular area only, the number of species, according to increase the area, it is also increasing and all. After this one, it will be stops and all. According to this rectangular hyperbola, it is equal to S is equal to CA Z and all. Here S represent what it represents as number of the species and all. C represent y-intercept and all. A is the area, that Z slope line or regression coefficient. Regression means automatically reduces, automatically decreases. Even if it is increases the area, it decreases the number of, here very important number related to Z value. So normally according to area, according to species richness, it is going on and all. Then, but regarding related to hyperbola, rectangular hyperbola, it is difficult to calculate the number of species respectable of the area and all. That's why it represents straight line, logarithmic value. It represents logarithmic value. This is area, this is species richness and all. X and Y axis and all. Based on this one, if you take a straight line, same, this line means it is not possible, a specific number, perfect number and all. So like this, it is not possible to indicate up to certain level only it is present. What about this line? It is not possible. But if you take a log scale, log, according to logarithmical value, then it will come. If it is area, it is initial and all. The less number, here also less number. Then log area, it will become that is log S is equal to related to log C plus Z log A. This is straighted line. Whenever if you take the straighted line, then it is easy for calculated. Like this, whatever the number it will become, whatever the number area, that specifically it is possible to identify and all. So up to last. Beyond that, it is not possible. So the correct specific number of these one, it must be calculated and all. Here, what it represents, yes and all, species richness and all. That is the species richness, C, Y, intercept here. That is the C. This specific area, it is Y intercept and all, between that gap and all. Then Z related to line for slope line are related to regression coefficient. Regression coefficient and all. A is equal to area. Based on this calculation, log S are related to one more, it is identified and all. S represent as the x-axis and all. That's why here, that is x is equal to log C. C means it will be present C plus, that is M log A related to Y. X is equal to C plus M Y. Here M represent as this one slope line. Slope for the line and all. Whether it is a straighted line, whether it is hyperbola, whether it is slope line as well as hyperparabola, rectangular hyperparabola, based on this slope line. So whenever wider range, the steeper line becomes increases, much steeper and all. Whenever low, then the steeper line becomes into the very reduced and all. That means suppose the number of species becomes more, then automatically the number of this is the much steeper line and all. The number of species becomes very low, like this one. Less steeper line and all. This is a less steeper line, it is a more steeper line because of more number of the species according to area. Within less area, more number, it is much steeper. Much steeper normally present on one continent to another continent. Whenever if you take maximum area if you take much steeper line in between the gap, the theta, whatever the theta is present, much steeper. Whenever straight, it is less steeper line. Less steeper line normally observable in a less specific area and all. If it is wide range area, it is present much steeper. The slope line becomes into the much steeper and all. The slope line becomes, why? Because this is the Z value. So normal, whenever area will be low within the area. That means a smaller area. Whenever requirement of smaller area and less specific area and within one specific country, one specific trophic level and in this one 0.1 to 0.2. The Z value, if it is less area, the Z value it becomes constant 0.1 to 0.2 only. Whenever much widerness and all. Whenever much widerness, that means from one continent to another continent. If you observe Asia to that America to Australia or Europe or different types of the continent, then if it is wider, that is to say in a different continent, must be observable. It is observable, variously it will be present. That is 1 to 1.5 or minimum 1 or maximum 1.5 or sometimes maybe 2. It must be comes into the 2 value or specifically according to NCERT they give. This is a common value 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2 and all. But according to NCERT they give 0.6 to 1.2 value. So according to NCERT, whenever they give question, you must write 0.6 to 1.2 value only. According to NCERT, they must be give whenever wider range of the area up to certain limits only. Beyond the limit, again it reduces. Here also, up to certain limits, it is a loss. Even though if it is increase the area, it won't get number of 1. It will be slow. Again it will be reduced. Again it will be declined. Again it will be decreased. Again it will be restricted. It must be restricted within specific area. The specific area, it must be restricted the number of the species, either bird, either mammals, either plants, whatever, irrespective of the organism. Here also, but here best example related to mammals as well as frugivorous birds. Mammals as well as frugivorous birds, different types of the continents. What is the Z value? Mammals and frugivorous. Frugivores as well as mammals. It will be present 1.15. The Z value, mammals as well as frugivorous birds, different types of the continents and all, it is present 1.15 value. But in exam point of view, it is very important the species area relationship. That means whenever according to Van Humboldt, if it is increase the area up to certain limit, increase the number of species. Decrease the area, number of species will be decreased. Then it is very important for Z value. What is the less number of area, less area? What is the Z value? That is 0.1 to 0.2. If it is wider from one continent to another continent, 0.6 to 1.2. For example, frugivorous in mammals, different types of continents, what is the Z value? 1.15 and all. Like that, you must carefully remember, exam point of very important, species area relationship. If it is straighted line, what is the log S is equal to log C plus Z log A. Similarly, if it is hyperbola, that is S is equal to CAZ, it becomes into the superior part and all. So like that, you must carefully remember. Okay, thank you. Remaining thing we discuss about in next class.